How to stay compliant in your cannabis business without losing your sanity, part 4. Hey, I'm Bree. I'm a cannabis compliance consultant, and I help build and scale stronger compliance teams. So recently, the cannabis law firm Harris Birkin released a blog series stating that more on-site inspections in California are happening by regulators on licensed premises. In part 4 of this 6-part series, we're going to talk about your licensed facility and who has access to your premise. So first and foremost, whenever you modify your premise, you have to have approval first before you start construction. This means tearing down a wall, adding a new closet. Also, if you move areas in your premise diagram of where those commercial cannabis activities are happening, like labeling or your testing area, and that is different from your premise diagram, inspectors will be looking out for that. If you're a grower, make sure that you are keeping an eye on your square footage of canopy. They will measure your canopy to make sure you're staying within your licensing requirements based off of your licensing fees. And finally, make sure you are not storing any product outside of the licensed facility. They will absolutely catch that. This is unfortunately a very common violation, especially during wildfire season when everything is so hectic and you're trying to help other partners in the supply chain. Make sure to follow along for more